Okay, I get a lot of people that, or a lot of companies that send me stuff. And this is the Erickhill Rook 600 SP. This is an infrared thermometer. I carry infrared thermometer. I don't, let's say I don't use it that much, but I carry a Fluke 62 Max, right? I've had this Fluke, I've had it for, geez, I don't know, probably 10 years. I The only time I use infrared thermometers is when I just can't reach something and to get like a base average temperature. And, obviously I do heating and cooling, so I'm checking diffusers and ceilings with this. That's really, or piping in a ceiling or somewhere I just can't reach, or stuff I just can't get to, or just want to do a quick check. But this company, they sent me this, let's say a few months ago. And most of the time people send me stuff, it's like they want a review right away. Well, how the heck am I supposed to review this right away, right out of the box, without even testing it, to tell you, hey, is this worth buying? Is it worth buying? So we're going to get into that today. Well, right now, I kind of kicked this to the curb. I just set it at home for a while so I could use this. So I've been using this one for the past few months, and it seemed to work pretty decent. So it comes. Made in China, where everything else is made. Nothing new. And get an owner's manual. And it comes in several different languages. Pick your language. We'll stick that over there. It does come with batteries, but I put them in there already. And I've been using this thing. So here's the case. Nice heavy duty nylon case. I mean, it's a heavy duty case. Belt loop. I don't use the case, but if you wanted to use the case, you could. But I just don't use it because I slide it right in my bag. It is, we're going to throw the case is nice. Very nice case. As you can see, it's got some scratches on it. I've been using this thing in the field, so it's been abused for a few months in my bag. So it does have a large screen, backlit. You can see right there. Thing I did notice though is that it seems like, compared to the Fluke, actually, you can see the Fluke one on the right and the Erickhill on the left. The dot is much larger, which comes in handy due to the fact is, it's easier to see. But let's see. Oh gosh, look at that! Right next to the Fluke 66.2. I mean, they're pretty much identical temperature wise. I mean, let's see, 66.2, 66.0. They're pretty close. I mean, you're not, with an infrared thermometer, you're not looking for an exact temperature. You're really not. You're looking for some kind of temperature. I mean, but you're just not, it's not an exact way to take temperature with these infrared thermometers. It's a good to get a reference, and it's got, you can go between Celsius and Fahrenheit right there. I think, well, you got the laser, you see the laser there. Let me focus in on that. You see the laser there, and you can shut it off. Go to Fahrenheit, and you can shut the laser off. Don't know why you do that though, but you can do it. Right there. And if you scroll through your modes, you have max, you have minimum, you have, that's ambient temperature. You can change your, I can't even say it, I can't say it. Use that setting for different material, but normally you're going to have it on 95 most of the time, unless you're shooting at metal, which then I think you change it. I can't remember where you change it to. Oops, going too fast. Max, min, ambient temp. You have a calibration mode. You have high, low. So then you got your battery door. I'd put new batteries in it already. The batteries that came with it didn't last very long. I don't know why, unless it just sat in my bag and went off. That's your battery door. Nice audible closure. As you can tell, it's closed. It does close secure. Right? Now, Fluke is, it's a Fluke. It's over molded. I like this meter, but that's a lot more money than this. This is, it's not, you twist this thing, it is solid. It's a solid tool for what it is. Whoa, sorry. Right there. You can tell what my phone's running at. There you go. But I think on Amazon right now, let me check. On Amazon right now, $20, $19.99. Plus you get another thermometer with it. Super deal. It's a robust tool. It really is. Like I said, I've been carrying this in my bag for a few months. I like it. It's light. It's lighter than the Fluke. It's not over molded. It's perfect for your bag. It really is. And I will probably continue using this. This is a nifty little tool. But for someone that needs an infrared thermometer, for $20, you cannot beat this. It's amazing. For $20. They sent me a coupon code for it, but I do not have it. But if I find it, I will put it in the link. I think it's like for 5% off. But this little tool for $20 is totally, someone that needs an infrared thermometer is, like someone getting into the field, any field, electrician field. You can use it for breakers. I've used it for breakers. I've used it on boilers. I've used it on diffusers, furnace plenums, registers. I mean, for someone getting in the field to spend the 20 bucks on this compared to some other, like, you're spending, I don't know, $150, $200 on this. That's a lot of money. Spend 20 bucks for this. Amazing value. Robust tool. It'll last. I'm telling you, this thing will last for quite some time. I mean, it is a solid, robust feel in your hand. It takes a beating. So, it's the Erickhill Rook 600 SP. Good value. That's all I can say. Alright guys, go get one of these off Amazon and or wherever they have them for sale. It's a definite buy. It's definitely worth it.